Hello all. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have uh, almost done a lot of modeling stuff over here. So let's continue with further the modeling left out part. Then we'll be starting up with the texturing part. So now what we'll be doing over here is like we have few things left out which will be doing it. So first let's mirror all this stuff on the other side over here. So we'll be just selecting this whole element. So select this all and let's mirror it. So we have to mirror it. So let's click on this mirror option in y-axis and make a copy of it, and let's just push this over here. So once you're done, so you can just push it inside. So select this part. So select this whole thing over here and just mirror it over here on this side. So we can just push it more inside over here in this way. So keep saving your file over here. So now we'll go down, we'll go onto the top view over here. Let's make one more copy of it over here. Let's take a copy of it, just push it a bit up over here, go into the vertices, push it inside, go into the vertices, push it inside, select this and shift towards in y-axis a bit and go onto this side view over here. Go into take a line tool over here and off this enable in viewport over here and we'll be just pushing this up. So select this again, enable in viewport, make it rectangular and reduce this. So make this stuff a bit less, width a bit less and push this up. So before we push this up, select this, drag it up. So you can just scale it. You can just drag this a bit up, make a copy. So make copies wherever it is required over here and make one copy at the front over here. You can say this is for the support of this. So whatever things are visible, we are going to model that. So select this over here. We need to push this. If we can push this up inside, that would be much better. Select this again, push it inside and push it up. This much better way. So save your file again. Now over here, the small details, the small handles kind of stuff. Let's go into the top view over here. Let's take a line tool over here. Just make this in this way and reduce its thickness, and let's just push this up over here. So just increase its thickness a bit, just push it down. So select this polygons and just push this out. So select the vertices of it and let's use chamfer. So we can increase its chamfer over here, or you can use a fillet. I'm sorry, you can use a fillet. That's it. Same thing will go with this. So if you want with this nut and bolt, you can do that also. For that, you can just squeeze that particular area if you want. So we can just convert to editable poly. Let's assign 1 loop over here. Select this vertices, rotate this, or else it's very simple. Let's use one swift loop over here and one over here. So let's go into this edges, ring it, select this, extrude it by local normal and just reduce it. And you can do in this way also, not a problem. So select this edges, ring it, polygons, and let's just extrude it in this way. And if you want to put the bolt over here, you can just put that on top of it. So let's press shift and rotate it in 90 degree. We'll set this angle as 90 degree over here. So whenever you are doing it, it's going to duplicate it in 90 degree only. So let's do it. After that, we'll be just mirroring this stuff out over here. Mirror it, make a copy of it. That's it. So just push it inside. Select this, select the polygons over here. So save your file, keep on saving the files again and again over here. Alright. And onto the top, if you see over here, we can put some loops over here if you require it. You can go with that also. So select this over here. Let's go into this view over here and let's take a line over here like this. So select this and let's give a bit of fillet and reduce its thickness. So you can just push this over here in this way. It's for the support over here. Just duplicate that stuff. So that's for the support over here. You can go with that. Again go over here, this front view over here, and what I can do now is like I can use one line over here. I can just push it a bit more further. Push a bit further. Take a line over here. Just place a line and reduce the thickness of it. Definitely, one more thing what we have missed out over here is like we have just shifted it up, so we need to shift this also a bit up. So please shift this up over here, and this will come a bit up. Same way, this will come a bit up. Alright, so push a bit inside, not much. Press shift and drag to make again a copy of it. So let's go into this view again. Select this and push it over here. Drag it over here. Just shift and make a copy of it. So press Ctrl A. We'll just assign a basic material as we are assigning it. Alright. On the other hand, what we'll be doing is like we'll definitely have to duplicate this. So mirror it in the x-axis and push it behind over here. Same stuff. Or else what you can do is like you can duplicate this part. So duplicate this, mirror it, shift this over here. So delete this part and shift this part on top of it to make a copy of it in this way. So select this also, this and this, again duplicate it, make a copy of it and just push it behind over here the same way. Alright, so you can just save your file over here. So you're almost done with the modeling part. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.